Welcome to Divorce 101. This video is intended to give you a general overview of each of the major issues that could develop in your divorce case. If you wish to watch the entire presentation, please stay with me here and you will see the complete overview. Or if you're interested only in a particular issue, you can go to that subject under the practice areas and watch a presentation on that issue only. No matter what video you watch or what you read on this website, you may still have other questions and issues that you would like to talk about. Please feel free to contact our office and schedule a free initial consultation so that you'll have the opportunity to meet with an attorney face-to-face and ask whatever questions you may have. Thanks for visiting our website, and I hope this presentation is helpful to you. If you have children, you know they're your first priority. That's also true in divorce courts in Florida. Under state law, the best interest of the minor child is the driving factor that a judge is supposed to evaluate in making decisions involving a divorce case. The given in Florida, the standard, is shared parental responsibility, which means that the courts want both parents to be as actively involved in their children's lives as they can be. Parents should consult over major issues and keep one another informed with regards to issues involving their child. Once shared parental responsibility is established, the court must then make a decision as to which parent is going to be the primary residential parent and which parent will have visitation and under what circumstances. Those are important decisions and are frequently complicated and difficult issues for judges to decide. Once that issue is resolved and the parent that is being assigned predominant primary residential status is known, then child support issues come into play. Qualification of your income, qualification of the permitted deductions before calculation of child support can also be complicated issues, especially for self-employed people or individuals who own their own business. Child support calculations must also include provisions for daycare expenses if they are applicable and medical insurance premiums which are in place to make sure the children are properly covered. These are the central issues that are involved in child custody cases and in instances of child support as well. At the Law Firm for Family Law, we are experienced and familiar with each aspect of the children's issues that may arise in your divorce and are able to help you through those complicated processes, bearing in mind what is in the best interest of your minor children. After the issues involving our children, the second most important aspect of divorce is usually related to equitable distribution. In Florida, the standard for equitable distribution is that the court is supposed to equitably divide the assets and liabilities of the marriage. There are important issues that can arise in this respect. The first is that while equitable presumes somewhat equal, it does not necessarily require it, and the court can do an inequitable distribution of assets in such instances where it may benefit minor children, such as providing the marital home to the parent who receives custody of the child. Additionally, the issue of what's marital and non-marital arises. If you brought substantial assets into the marriage in the way of a house or a car, cash, or other investments, those assets may not be subject to distribution by the court. It's important before beginning any process of negotiation with your spouse that you fully understand exactly what's a marital asset and exactly what is not a marital asset. At the Law Firm for Family Law, we can assist you in reviewing the entire financial structure of your family to make sure you have the information you need to make intelligent decisions about how you wish to have your assets divided between the parties. The last major issue which develops in many divorce cases is that of alimony. When most people think of alimony, they think of a situation where they're required to write their ex a check every month until the ex either remarries or one of them dies. But there are also several other forms of alimony in the state of Florida: bridge the gap alimony, rehabilitative alimony, and temporary spousal support. Each of these alimony types has a specific application, and one or all of them may be applicable in your particular case. Temporary alimony, for example, spousal support, is the funds that are designed to maintain the status quo during the marriage and to keep the spouse provided for while the divorce is proceeding. Bridge the gap alimony is intended to give the party a fresh start post-divorce so that they can get back on their feet financially. And rehabilitative alimony is specifically designed to allow the spouse to get the specific training or education they may need to be able to go out and support themselves in the real world. At the Law Firm for Family Law, we can assess the particular facts of your case, tell you whether or not you're a candidate or potentially at risk of having to pay alimony, and we can then provide you with an analysis as to which type of alimony may be applicable and what your potential benefits are under that aspect of the case. This has been a review of the major issues that arise in many divorce cases: children's issues, alimony issues, and issues involving equitable distribution. All of them can be complicated, and even a small mistake made now can result in a lifetime of financial issues that you did not anticipate. At the Law Firm for Family Law, we are here to assist you in dealing with the various changes that arise in your life. We encourage you to call our office today and schedule a free consultation to address any of these issues and to help you deal with the changes in your life. Thank you.